I'm going to make a yummy strawberry pie. This looks delicious.
Eating so fast doesn't seem like a good idea.
What could be the problem?
Oh no, you ate so fast that now you have the hiccups.
There's no problem. My strawberry pie can't wait. First, 3 eggs. Ah, ah, ah. Huh? Thank you very much. Oh no, what makes hiccups go away?
A glass of water might help. Oh, Jose, how are we going to fix this?
I know. Maybe a little scare will help get rid of my hiccups. It didn't work. It's ready. No, my strawberry pie. So close. That was a big scare. What happened to my hiccups?
Jose, that scare was so big that your hiccups are gone.
Now, no rush and no hiccups.